In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Reddit account effectively. Whether you're securing your device or simply switching to another account, logging out of Reddit is an essential step to ensure your account's security and privacy. Follow this guide to effortlessly navigate the logout process. First things first, let's start on the Reddit homepage. Now, this can be on your web browser or the mobile app, whatever you're using at the moment. As you arrive on the homepage, you'll be greeted by your feed filled with contents from various subreddits. But what we're interested in here is locating your profile icon. On the web version, you'll typically find this icon on the top right corner of your screen. It usually resembles a little avatar in a circle if you haven't set a custom profile picture yet. If you're on the mobile app, this icon is most often positioned in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next, while still on the homepage, once you have clicked on your profile icon, a menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to various settings and configurations related to your account and Reddit experience in general. As you explore this drop-down menu, you'll see an assortment of choices including your profile, Reddit coins, Reddit Premium, and several others. The option you need for now, however, is towards the bottom. The Logout button. Once you locate the Logout option at the bottom of the drop-down menu, all you need to do is click on it. After selecting Logout, Reddit will automatically sign you out of your account. It's as simple as that. You'll no longer be able to access your feed personalized to your specifics or make any posts or comments under your account until you log back in. For added security, especially if you're on a public or shared device, make sure to clear your browser history or cache as an extra precaution to ensure no trace of your login session is left behind. This small step can prevent unauthorized access to your account and protect your interactions on Reddit. And there we have it. You've successfully logged out of your Reddit account. This simple process ensures your details are safe when you're not using your personal device. It's a straightforward, yet crucial action in maintaining your online security. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Enjoy your Reddit journey, whether you're browsing anonymously or under your account. Stay safe and see you next time.